Hi everyone, welcome to the 10th Man Initiative channel. My name is A.I.D.I.L. Today we're going to challenge the method of climbing the vertical ladder that everyone thinks is safe.
When we mention climbing the ladder safely, everyone will say 3-point contact.
But how to maintain 3-point contact?
When climbing the ladder, they'll tell you not to hold on to anything. If not, you cannot have 3-point contact when you're holding on to something.
So you cannot hold on to anything.
Correct, but even then you can compromise the 3-point contact.
Is it true that you can maintain 3-point contact without holding on to anything?
Let's start off by checking our PPE before climbing the ladder. Safety shoes with soles that are not worn out. Gloves that do not have grease or oil on them that could cause them to slip off the ladder rung. Helmet to protect your head from falling debris or if you accidentally hit onto the ladder frame or the rungs. If you need to carry anything, put it into a bag like this and sling the bag across your body. Before mounting the ladder, check on the condition of the ladder. Make sure it is not corroded or broken. Do not use the ladder if it is corroded or broken.
Common sense guys, don't be spooky.
And if the ladder rungs are wet, oily or greasy, clean them dry first before mounting it.
Again common sense.
Oi! Now let's watch how everyone climbs the ladder. This is what we call the mountain climber method. What do you think of this method? Safe? Does it comply with the 3-point contact rule? Let's watch it again. Moving from rung to rung, the 3-point contact becomes 2-point contact. This can easily make you lose your grip on the ladder rungs. Then what will happen?
Just fall and die lor.
Always think of the worst thing that can happen.
Don't think you can escape with minor injuries. That only happens if you're lucky. Always 3-point contact, 3-point contact. Have you tested? Prove it. Don't always blindly follow what everyone is doing.
Now we come up with another method and we call it 4-3 method.
Mount the ladder rung. 2 hands on the rung and 2 legs on the rung. This is the 4 of the 4-3 method. Now move one hand up to the next rung and another hand up to the same rung. When you release one hand, this becomes the 3 of the 4-3 method. Next, move one leg up to the rung above and the next leg to the same rung. At any point of time while stationary, you will have a 4-point contact. Yes, this method will take a bit longer for you to climb.
But you will also keep your life longer because the risk of falling is minimized.
You want to take the shortcut? Then your life gets shortened.
Common sense, people.
The 10 man for safety is all about questioning the norm.
To re-evaluate the job process.
To make it as safe as possible.
So now the question, what happens if you get tired while climbing the ladder?
What if you suddenly feel sick while climbing the ladder?
This is when the A.I.D.I.L maneuver comes in. We don't have actual names for this move, but we decided to name it our own as it was introduced to us by a safety officer named A.I.D.I.L.
In order to execute the A.I.D.I.L maneuver, firstly, maintain 4-point contact and keep your body close to the ladder. Next, secure your lanyard to one of the ladder rungs. Alright, now let's begin. A is for arm. I is for insert. Insert your arm into the ladder rung. D is for down. Down goes your arm. I is for insert again. Insert the arm into the rung. L is for lock. Lock your arms by grabbing onto your body harness or shirt. Now you can rest until you are ready to climb the ladder again.
So there you have it, the 10-man way to climb the ladder using the 4-tree method incorporated with the ideal maneuver.
If you think there's a safer way to climb the ladder, feel free to comment below.
Dare to doubt! Don't be a cheese spy.
Bullshit, 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 bullshit,